Hi, today I will show you hack for perfect eyebrows. First, clean your eyebrows, because the eyebrow pencil will apply better. Make sure that your eyebrow pencil is sharp. Apply 2 dots at the very beginning of your eyebrow. Hold the pencil on the side of your nose, straight up over the eye and at the point where it hits the brow bone as your arch. Apply 2 dots here. Apply 1 dot at the very end of your eyebrow. Connect the dots in this order. Fill only the outer half of your eyebrow. Take a brush like this. Blend it well. Apply concealer around the eyebrow. Blend it using a brush or small beauty blender. Link for small beauty blender is in description box. Look at the difference between the left and right eyebrows. That was it for this video. Thank you for watching.